Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing 3 quick and simple farmhouse home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
You're like a river in the dark. You stare me right, you lit the spark. And I can feel you tearing down every wall.
With a wire cutter, I just went ahead and put apart the 8-inch wreath, and I will be using the center part.
You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me.
With some ivory chalk paint, I went ahead and painted the wire, and I will be doing the same in the center of the floral.
You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance,
after I removed the twine from the picture frame, I just went ahead and painted it as well with some ivory chalk paint, and I let it dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And after it was done drying, I just went ahead and sanded it down.
When I need you, you lift me up till we levitate.
Next step, I just cut 2 medium size of the floral wire.
My eyes are set on you.
To secure the floral onto the metal, I will be using the floral wire and just making a couple twists around. And once I'm done doing that, I will be adding some floral tape on top just to make sure that it is completely secure and it won't come apart.
You and me, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. When I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing, and my eyes are set on you. It takes so little just to make me smile.
Next step, I just went ahead and hot glued the floral onto the center of the wreath.
My body aches for someone who makes me right, but you don't seem to take the time. You're on a mission now. I know you can't get out, and our time is running out. Ooh, bye-bye love, 'cause you don't know what my dreams are like and where I wanna go with you. Ooh, bye-bye love, 'cause you don't know and you don't seem to care that I could have gone with you anywhere. Try to be strong until you get back, but you don't seem to be around. There's just so many things I wanna say, but now I'm breaking up inside.
For the second DIY, I started off by spray painting the 3 jars with a white spray paint and also the basket with a metallic spray paint. and letting them dry outside for 10 to 15 minutes. Next up, I just stained this piece of wood with some wood stain. To give the basket a little more detail, I added some ivory chalk paint onto it, and I will be sanding it down once it's done drying. And after I'm done with that step, I added a little bit of black chalk paint on top as well. Next step, I went ahead and cut 3 pieces of twine. With the twine, I made a small bow in the center of each jar.
Just one look and I'd get caught too, 'cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes.
Next up, I will be cutting the butterfly from this rub-on transfers that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought it was super cute and I had to get it.
I hope you feel it too, 'cause we are meant to be.
To give the wood a little more detail, I added some black chalk paint on the edges, and once it's done drying, I will be sanding it down.
Some obsess about things, some turn use into abuse, and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too, 'cause we are meant to be.
For the last and final DIY, the first step, I went ahead and spray painted all the 3 plates with the metallic spray paint. The next step, I went ahead and painted all of the plates with some ivory chalk paint.
You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant
To remove the screw from the table leg, I went ahead and used a pair of vice grip and I kept on twisting it until it finally came off. To give a little more detail to the 3 plates, I went ahead and sanded them down. Next step, I gently added some black chalk paint onto the edges of all 3 plates. To put the 3-tier tray together, I used some E6000 and some hot glue. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.